Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Grok AI message limit reached problem in Android phone. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you check your Grok updated or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Grok. If you are already up to date, then go back. Go to the settings, then go to the apps. Then search here Grok. Press on force stop, then press on force stop. Press on storage, then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, any issue with Grok, then automatically solve this problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.